How to make money from AI tools in 2025. People are literally making 5 to 6 figures right now by doing one thing with AI that takes maybe 2 hours to learn. And most of them aren't tech bros or Stanford grads. They're regular Americans working from their laptops. And I'm about to show you exactly how they're doing it. Stay with me because I'm breaking down 3 AI money-making methods that are actually working in 2025. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your skill level and lifestyle. Let's go. Method 1 is the fastest way to generate income. And it's called AI content creation. Here's how this works. You use tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to create high-quality content. Then you sell that content as digital products. I'm talking ebooks, email courses, templates, and prompt libraries. One creator in Dallas made $12,000 in her first month selling ChatGPT prompt bundles on Gumroad. She spent about 40 hours creating them. That's $300 an hour. Another person in Austin created an AI copywriting course, sold it on Teachable, and made $18,000 in week 1. No email list, no audience. Just smart positioning. Here's the play. Pick a niche where people are already spending money. It could be freelance writing, social media management, real estate marketing, e-commerce product descriptions. Use ChatGPT to generate frameworks, templates, and systems. Bundle them into a digital product. Price it between $17 to $97. Then sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable. The beauty? Zero inventory, zero shipping, passive income after the initial creation. And people are buying these right now. Method 2 is where the consistent money lives. AI freelancing is boring compared to method 1, but it's more reliable. You're offering services to businesses using AI tools. Businesses are desperate for this stuff because they're struggling to keep up. Here's what's actually happening. A guy in Phoenix uses ChatGPT and Midjourney to create marketing campaigns for small businesses. He charges $2,000 to $4,000 per campaign. He's booked 4 months out. A woman in Miami uses AI video generation tools like Synthesia to create training videos for corporate clients. She charges $1,500 to $3,000 per video. She's doing 2, sometimes 3 videos a month. The services that are making real money right now. 1. AI-powered email marketing sequences. Small business owners need these. You use ChatGPT to write them. You charge $500 to $1,500 per sequence. 2. Midjourney brand image packs. Artists and coaches need brand-specific images. Charge $300 to $800. 3. AI-generated video production. Use tools like Descript or HeyGen. Charge $1,200 to $3,000. 4. ChatGPT-powered business automation systems set up workflows for restaurants, coaches, agencies. Charge $1,000 to $5,000 depending on complexity. The key is positioning yourself as solving a specific problem, not as AI freelancer. You're a LinkedIn content specialist using AI for coaches. You're a product description writer for e-commerce brands. Specificity sells. Launch on Fiverr or Upwork. Get 5 reviews. Then move to direct clients through LinkedIn and your own website. Method 3 takes longer but creates actual asset value. You build AI-powered niche websites. Here's how it works. You identify a profitable niche. Use ChatGPT to generate 50 to 100 articles fast. Monetize through affiliate marketing, Google AdSense, and sponsorships. A guy in Colorado built a website about the best dog training tools. Used Claude to write 90 articles in 3 weeks. Within 6 months, he was making $2,000 a month through affiliate commissions from Amazon and Chewy. He sold the website for $60,000. The play. Choose niches with commercial intent. People searching for solutions they're willing to pay for. Fitness supplements. Pet products. Software comparisons. Home improvement. Build 50 to 100 AI-powered articles. Target keywords. Add affiliate links to products people actually want. This takes 2 to 3 months to see real income. But once it works, you've got something that generates money while you sleep. Use tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to validate keywords. Use ChatGPT or Jasper to write at scale. Publish on WordPress. Add ConvertKit for email capture. Then you've got multiple income streams from one asset. Here's what I want you to do right now. Pick one of these 3 methods. Not all 3. 1. If you like quick wins and you're decent at marketing, do method 1. If you like working directly with clients and you're good with people, do method 2. If you're patient and you want to build real asset value, do method 3. All 3 are working in 2025. All 3 are accessible to you today. The difference between people making money and people watching videos about making money is action. So here's the move. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Because next week I'm breaking down exactly how to validate which of these methods will work for your specific situation. And I'm showing you the exact AI tools that are actually worth your time. Thanks for watching. Let's get you making money.